What you doing, big man? Hi. Is that ear bothering you? Stewie. Hi, big boy. Hello. What you doing? Aw. Your ear itches. Mama got to take you to the vet. You're looking pretty scrawny. For everybody that's looking, Stewie had to get his fur shaved off because he was so matted that his poor little head was matted to his shoulder and his knees were matted to his sides. And we adopted him about a month and a half ago, and his fur is now growing back in. So, and he is a very happy boy. He loves to purr. Yeah. What you doing, Stu? You seen if there's any food? Hi, big boy. Actually, you're a tiny, tiny boy, aren't you? What? Hi. Oh my good boy.